Okay, in your computer's keyboard, this is the Windows logo key, and this is the I key. So if you press this Windows logo key and this I key, these two keys at the same time, we can take the settings page very fast. And from the settings, okay, in your Windows, then you can see ease of access. You must click this ease of access, and if you click this ease of access, then you can see in this side there you can see keyboard. You must click this keyboard here. So here you can see use sticky keys, allow the shortcut key to start sticky keys. So you must click this once again to turn off this sticky mark if you want to disable the shortcut key feature. Also here allow the shortcut key to start a toggle key. So here also you must click to disable the shortcut key feature. Similarly here also you can see use filter key. This sticky mark also if you removed, then you can disable the shortcut keys in Windows. For more you can subscribe.